Life whispers to us all. It invites us to grow, to explore, to become more than we are. But this journey often begins outside our comfort zones. It beckons us towards the unfamiliar, the challenging, the uncomfortable. This call to adventure might seem daunting, even frightening, yet it is within these uncomfortable spaces that we discover our true potential. It's where we forge resilience, build strength, and write the most captivating chapters of our lives. Think of a time you felt truly alive. Perhaps you took a leap of faith, faced a fear, or pushed past a perceived limitation. Remember the surge of accomplishment, the quiet pride in knowing you didn't back down. These are the rewards of embracing discomfort. It's not about seeking pain or hardship, it's about understanding that growth rarely happens in the realm of the easy and familiar. Are you ready to answer the call? Are you ready to step outside the known and embrace the transformative power of discomfort? The journey starts now. We all crave comfort. It's human nature to seek safety and predictability. This leads us to build comfort zones. While comforting, these zones can become cages. They prevent us from experiencing the fullness of life. It's time to gently dismantle them with courage and curiosity. The allure of comfort is a powerful force. It whispers promises of safety and security, lulling us into a false sense of contentment. But this comfort often comes at a price, the price of our own evolution. When we avoid discomfort at all costs, we deny ourselves the opportunity to develop resilience, adaptability, and inner strength. This avoidance can manifest in subtle ways. We may shy away from challenges at work, avoid difficult conversations with loved ones, or stick to familiar routines, even when they no longer serve us. We may even convince ourselves that we're content with the status quo, ignoring the whispers of our own unfulfilled potential. The truth is, staying too long in our comfort zones can lead to stagnation, boredom, and a sense of unfulfilled potential. It can also make us more susceptible to anxiety and fear when we do encounter inevitable challenges. By recognizing the illusion of comfort, we empower ourselves to break free from its grasp. We begin to understand that true fulfillment lies not in avoiding discomfort, but in embracing it as a catalyst for growth and transformation. Choosing to embrace discomfort is a powerful act of self-love. It's a declaration that you are ready to grow, to evolve, and to become the best version of yourself. This journey won't always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Stepping outside your comfort zone strengthens your resilience. Each challenge you overcome, each fear you face, builds your inner strength and fortitude. You learn to navigate uncertainty with more grace and approach obstacles as opportunities for learning and growth. This journey also cultivates adaptability. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. By regularly challenging yourself, you become more adaptable to change, more resourceful in the face of setbacks, and more capable of navigating the unknown. Most importantly, embracing discomfort leads to self-discovery. It allows you to identify your strengths, confront your weaknesses, and develop a deeper understanding of who you truly are. You begin to live with more intention, authenticity, and purpose. Triumph over turbulence. The world is full of inspiring stories of individuals who embraced discomfort and achieved greatness. Their journeys remind us that true success lies not in avoiding challenges, but in rising above them. Oprah Winfrey, who endured a childhood of poverty and abuse, transformed her pain into purpose, becoming a media mogul and inspiring millions with her message of resilience and hope. J.K. Rowling, a single mother struggling to make ends meet, faced countless rejections before her Harry Potter series captivated the world, proving that perseverance and belief in oneself can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. These stories and countless others like them serve as beacons of hope and inspiration. They remind us that within each of us lies the potential for greatness, waiting to be unlocked through courage, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. Small steps, giant leaps. Embracing discomfort doesn't require drastic life changes. Start by incorporating small, manageable challenges into your daily routine. Try a new activity that stretches you beyond your comfort zone, whether it's joining a dance class, learning a new language, or simply striking up a conversation with someone new. Challenge your thinking by engaging with different perspectives, reading books outside your usual genre, or listening to podcasts that challenge your viewpoints. These small acts of courage, practiced consistently, build your confidence and prepare you for greater challenges. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate each step outside your comfort zone, no matter how small it may seem. Each step forward, each act of courage contributes to your personal growth and brings you closer to the extraordinary life you were meant to live. Facing down the unknown. It's natural to feel fear and resistance when stepping outside our comfort zones. Our minds are wired to protect us from perceived threats, and the unknown can trigger feelings of anxiety and uncertainty. Recognize that fear is a natural part of growth. It signals that you are venturing into uncharted territory, pushing past your perceived limitations. Instead of allowing fear to paralyze you, acknowledge it, embrace it, and then take that step forward anyway. Remember, you are stronger than your fear. You are more capable than you realize. And with each step outside your comfort zone, your fear will lessen, your confidence will grow, and you'll discover a wellspring of inner strength you never knew you possessed. The making of a hero. Building inner toughness and resilience is an ongoing process. It's about developing the mental and emotional fortitude to face challenges with courage, adapt to change with grace, and bounce back from setbacks with renewed determination. Just as an athlete trains their body to perform at its peak, we can train our minds and emotions to become more resilient. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on your strengths, practicing gratitude, and surrounding yourself with supportive and encouraging people. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and reactions. This awareness empowers you to choose more empowering responses, even in challenging situations. Remember, you are not your thoughts or emotions. You have the power to observe them, choose your response, and move forward with intention. View setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of dwelling on failures, analyze them, extract valuable lessons, and use those lessons to fuel your future endeavors. Embrace the Japanese concept of Kaizen, which emphasizes continuous improvement, even in small increments. Answer the call, write your story. The path to personal growth is paved with discomfort. It's in the moments when we challenge ourselves, push past our perceived limitations, and venture into the unknown that we discover our true potential. Remember, life begins at the edge of your comfort zone. It's where you'll discover hidden strengths, unlock untapped potential, and write the most captivating chapters of your life story. So embrace the discomfort, welcome the challenges, celebrate the journey, for it is in these moments of courage and resilience that you will truly come alive and become the hero of your own extraordinary adventure.